कस्तो अहिले पछि कुल्फी म कुल्फी ऊ खाने Another thing is there are lots of juice and of course the pani puri stall.
Hello friends, we are in Southall, London. So this is mini India and come with us to see how it is and why it is mini India.
Friends, it is also the Southall is also called mini India or mini Punjab because lots of South Asian communities here and mostly the people here are Punjabi, the Sikh, Muslims and Hindus. So today we are here in Southall, West London, and we will show you the Southall today. Yeah, right here shopping. Give me 1 minute. Shopping. So yeah, lots of Indian restaurants and sweet shops, temples, Gurudwara, and we can see most of them are most of them are Indians and other South Asians. And today is Sunday and the day is quite nice. It's quite sunny and it's very busy. You can see the street is quite busy and vibrant, like lots of people, lots of food stalls are here. And clothing stores. कस्तो अहिले पछि हेरौँला. And you can see here the pani puri stores, kulfi. So you can have kulfi here, momo,
Lisa, mango kun khane timi aएर यो एउटा तपाईं कुन खाने 1 मिनेट आउँछ
म कुल्फी ऊ खाने पिस्ता mango pista
This one no Lisa, you can
Malai. You can also get the deshi chai here, like karka chai is £1. So we are having a favorite kulfi at South. Kulfi is like ice lolly.
But an Indian version of it. So you can't find this in any English shop. You can only find it in like Indian shops, but you can find it a lot in Southall. They sell in the street as well, and these are Malai kulfi. They're very tasty, very sweet. They are made of milk and some other ingredients as well, which makes it taste very good. If you want to try it, you can. They also say if you want to come to Southall, do not come on the weekend, Saturday or Sunday, because it's very busy. I mean, obviously you can come by buses or trains, but but your own car, it's very difficult. Like the traffic is terrible. It's impossible to drive around here. It's just like somewhere central in India or even in Nepal. The traffic is bad, and there's not much parking around here. I don't know where you're gonna park, but there are a lot of shops. Obviously a lot of people. Baba kulfi पोख्दैछ त्यहाँ. मिसा swap करो.
So I'm just walking through the footpath, Southall, and you can see it's quite chaos here. Traffic, lots of people, lots of clothing shops. Another thing is there are lots of juice stalls here, jewelry shops, many traditional clothes shops, and of course the pani puri stall. You don't feel like you are in London, you feel like you are somewhere in India. You can also hear the music, like Indian and Punjabi music in the cars. The day is quite nice, it's quite sunny and bright, it's hot, so people are out. And obviously it's a Sunday, so most of them they are off from the work, so you can see the market is really busy, and the place is quite amazing. Traditional Indian dress shops, jewelry shops. many food stalls, and you can see the restaurants, the Indian restaurants here. So this is the mini India of London. And another thing is, like, don't get surprised if you heard the sound of like horn frequently, because it's common here.
Okay, so here we go. Manas wants some samosa chaat. This is the famous vegetarian Indian restaurant Ahar in Southall, and they're also cooking jalebi. Hi! I'm not filming you, I'm just filming the jalebi. They also do pakori and this bread thing. Outside menu takeaway bel puri, samosa chaat is £4. I'm going to have a samosa chaat.
Okay, this is the samosa chaat. Manas is having a samosa. How is it, Manas? Very good.
Samosa chaat.
So it's still evening time in London, and we are still roaming around, but there are still a lot of people. You can see you can see some flags over there. This is just basically a mini India. So you have the British as well as the English flag over here, the Indian flag, and they sell these carom boards and everything. Manas, why are you carrying that? I've actually come around to see if the vegetable shop is still open. As I can see that there are a few shops that are closed, but a lot of them are still open, and this one looks like this one looks like it's about to shut down, but they're still going. Quality. This one is open. The other one that I wanted, which is a quality food, which is like the grocery, it's shut now. But let's see what I can find. Okra त वहाँ पनि पाइहाल्छ.
Okra.
Right, so the crowd I was showing you. Yeah, that's a jaguar. There are a lot of rich people as well. So see this is shop which sells like Servani and stuff that is still open, and the other few shops are still open as well. There are a lot of food shops here, isn't it? Like you can find.
I don't think that's a jaguar. That's a Mustang. Probably.
There's a lot of food food shops that are still open now at this time. It's like gone past 8 o'clock. But see, I'm heading towards this shop where you can find other stuff. They are about to shut down like now. They are also selling these trousers in the shop, outside the shop, like for £5, two for £9. How much do these cost? What is
There's a
it?
shop called Cake Co.
There's another one trouser that's 3 for £10. I like that. Manas. And look at that, non-stop, and they sell like rice bowl and all desi stuff. You always want to mess about, Sana, isn't it? You touch it and you messed it. So in Southall, so that's Southall Broadway. If you want to know what's this location, it's basically all the Desi people here. I could see a lot of Nepalese here as well. A lot of everything that you can find in India is here, and in Punjab or Gujarat, like all the shops. So massively crowd. When I see the red bus, then I feel like, oh, I'm in London. Otherwise, I feel like I'm in India somewhere. Okay.
Bye, friends. So, anything the video at Southall, please like and subscribe to Manas and Risha family. And don't forget to like and share. Like and subscribe.
Yeah, see you in next video.